Hi, I'm Tricia, and I have a brand new page kit to show you from Club Scrap. This one is shipping in August, and it's called Vines. Let's take a look. The centerpiece of our page kits is always our paper. We have some beautiful selections this month. The prints include 2 each of this lovely stripe print, and then 2 each of this all-over leaf print. Plus, we have 4 complementary colors included in the kit, 2 each of the wine, this light green, a dark green, and a rose, and all of those papers are a lovely 80-pound cover weight. This kit also includes 2 12 by 12 sheets of printed cut-aparts. And on those sheets, you'll find some border strips, complementary images, journaling prompts, and page titles. This really takes out a lot of the work and indecision of creating a scrapbook page. And to help those 12 by 12 papers go even further, we include a dozen photo mats. These are trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 for quick and easy matting of your 4 by 6 photos. This Vines kit also includes some beautiful ribbon. We have an inch wide light green grosgrain, this lovely wine color ribbon that's very, very soft and easy to work with, plus 2 yards of this dark green jute. The box also includes this stunning wreath-shaped woodcut, 2 of these gold sprig charms, 3 gold leaf charms, and a yard of this beautiful gold vine ribbon. Now, it's one thing to receive that box of all those beautiful items, and it's a completely different thing to know that we here at Club Scrap will help you figure out how to use everything inside to create 8 beautiful 12 by 12 pages and absolutely no waste. You'll be able to download these instructions and follow along step by step, as well as with our video workshop. And these are the layouts that you can make. Again, you can see the elements that I showed you from the kit, the cut-aparts, the photo mats, the embellishments, the fiber, all of the things that are included are used. It's our goal to help you create finished pages, oh, look at that beautiful ribbon there, without the stress of having to store and organize all the things you're not using. We're putting a stop to that at Club Scrap. We will help you every step of the way to be successful and make great use of your time and resources to create finished scrapbook pages and preserve those memories. So I'd love to have you give us a try. Anyone can shop at Club Scrap, members always save, and I'd love to see you in class. Let's make these pages together.